I don't know why I'm so excited. For some reason, I feel like I haven't recorded in a very long time, even though it's probably been like a week, which is like a long time for me. Cause y'all know I be cranking them videos out, okay? But I had to take a little break for Christmas. But anyways, we are back at it, and I am doing a install from a company that is slowly becoming one of my new favorite hair companies, honestly. And that is from Isee hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. I really love this hair company. Like, their customer service is really excellent, and their packaging, I always talk about this, is like my favorite. It's like they really take care of their wigs and their customers. And also the wigs are really good quality, and they're some of my favorite wigs. So this is just what it looks like in the box. It comes like this. Like, thank you for giving me the full experience. Like, I feel like I just bought a luxury item, which you actually are. I feel like hair is an investment. So this, ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a 26-inch water wave hair. Ciao. This is a 26-inch water wave wig, and it looks like this. This is how the hair comes packaged. Get into this water wave texture, and it is so pretty, and I love that it is 26 inches. Look at this. And also what I love is that this is a like wear and go type of wig. So this is what the hairline looks like. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked. The lace is already cut. My favorite, and also because it's a water wave texture, the install is about to be so easy, it's not even funny. So I just want to get into the actual construction of the wig. So this is, like I said, 26 inches. I believe the density, I never know the density, y'all. The density will be on the screen. I'm not even gonna lie about that. So anyways, this is I think this is a 7x5 closure. It looks pretty 7x5-ish, but if it's not, my correction will also be on the screen. I should probably come prepared for these videos, but I don't, sorry. The inside has these clips on the sides, which I believe are the removable clips. It has an elastic band that's adjustable, even comes with a tag, y'all. And also the construction of the wig, this is their M cap. So that means like they have cutouts for your ear holes here to make the wig fit more comfortably on your head, like so. And yeah, they do have another removable comb at the bottom, which I love because not everybody likes combs. I'm a fan of combs, particularly just the back comb, but not everybody likes that. And then the wig comes on a dome cap like this. So this is just the inside of it, and then you can tell like it's already pre-bleached because of the lace. So this install is about to be super easy, and it's also about to be really cute because again, 26-inch water wave. This texture is so pretty. So love that for me. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's slide this on, wrap it behind my ears, and pull it back like so, like that. Now I'm just taking my cream makeup like this and my flat top brush, and I'm just gonna color the wig cap because it's a little light for me. So I'm just gonna darken it up a little bit, and then I'm kind of gonna do the same thing to the inside of the wig cap, but just like along the front here, because the knots are already bleached, but I always notice like the front of the wigs tend to still be like a little bit lighter, like the laces. So I'm just gonna rub some of the extra makeup onto the front of the lace, just to color it, like just the front there, you see. All right, let's go ahead and slide this on. Oh, I mean, this wig band a little tight, but it might be too tight. Cause I'm like, the tighter the wig band, it's keeping the hair super flat. But y'all, I need circulation to my head. I'm gonna have to loosen this just a little bit. Ooh, is that making it tighter? Oh Lord, I went the wrong way. Okay, whew, this way, this way, this way. Okay, all right, so that's on there, and it fits comfortably around my ears, so you can see the M part of the M cap like this, how it goes over my ear. And what I love about their wigs is that theirs actually lay flat. Now, I've reviewed some like wigs before, some glueless wigs that they don't always lay super flat on your forehead, and so you wind up having to use like some type of product to lay it down. But with this lays super flat. Like, I don't know how they constructed it. Maybe it's the wig band that's doing it, but I don't need any adhesive at all, and it's very, very sturdy. That's why they're one of my favorite hair companies, like, because the construction of the wig is awesome. It's like top tier. So this is just what it looks like fresh out of the box. I love this length. Oh my goodness. I think I want to keep the fluffiness of the curls. I'm going to try to get it to be fluffy. I know in the past when I've done like water waves, I've more so defined the curls, but I want to do the fluffy look because I love big fluffy hair, especially with how long this is. This is super pretty. Get into it on the back. Oh yeah, this is definitely my favorite water wave wig, like ever, ever. Oh my goodness. And I didn't even style it yet. Like, this the one, not the two. Anyways, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and personalize it to me. Like, I'm gonna add some baby hairs over here, flatten it, get a little razzle dazzle, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I was trying to figure out how I was going to keep the fullness and fluffiness of the hair while moisturizing it a little bit and defining the curls. So I decided that I'm just going to use my curling mousse and then some of my shine spray on the hair, and then I'm going to use my diffuser, and then I'm going to let it dry completely and pull it apart. Alright, so now the last thing I'm going to do while I wait for my hair to dry a little bit is I'm going to just define the parting in my hair. So I'm going to use my Edge Booster wax stick and just put it along the part. And particularly like here, I don't want to use too much because I wind up leaving like a white residue. I don't want to use too much. And I'm going to follow with just like light Got To Be Free spray. Gotta hear that sizzle. I don't know if y'all heard that sizzle, but when you hear that sizzle, that means it's doing what it needs to do. Okay. Alright, so pretty much I am done with this, so I'm gonna take this off. Ooh, that came out so good. Okay. You can see a little bit of my cap right here. So I'm just gonna take a flat angled brush and some of my concealer and just run it along the part. But y'all, we're done. This is the finished look. And it is nice and full and fluffy how I like it. It is nice and long. I am 5'3", so these 26 inches is coming up like to my hips, like this. But I absolutely love it. Like, look at the hairline. Ignore this right here. I got some makeup on it, but I love this and it fits so good. And it's still glueless. Like, it's completely freaking glueless. And on top of that, it's a tight glueless. It's not loose. Like, it's really tight, but it's not like too tight on my head. I don't know. This is like the perfect freaking wig. I absolutely love this. And then look at the water wave. This hair is so pretty to me. It is so pretty. But anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and that is it. Adios till next time.